if there is a course that almost everyone is doing in Kenya at the moment, is welding and fabrications. The other day I met someone who wanted his child to do a course that is marketable, which can give him a job or can employ him without necessarily going through the hustle other Kenyans are going through. There are some courses you can do. You cannot employ yourself. You cannot create any job. You have to wait to be employed. But the good thing about welding and fabrication is that it allows you, it gives you knowledge, it gives you skills that will help you create employment opportunity for yourself and for others. It's one of the best courses to study in Kenya. And where we have reached in this era, technical courses are more marketable than even health courses, than teaching or education or business courses. People are going in large numbers to pursue technical courses, and welding and fabrication is one of them. If you have a child, if you are the one who wants to do a good course, just select welding and fabrication. Now, this course, it is either offered at diploma level or certificate level. Any of them can do, and it's very marketable. So it takes you up to 2 years. You get the skills, and once you graduate, what do? You start practicing. First, you can be employed to get experience and money or capital to start your own workshop, or you can start your own business or your own work, where you go to where the people are building and you ask for work to do welding and fabrication. So every day houses are being built, and once they are built, all those houses need doors, they need windows, and that is the work of someone doing welding and fabrication. The good thing, this course is not like, or this profession is not like Bachelor of Commerce, where anyone can be an accountant. If you don't have skills in fabrication, in welding, there's no way you can fix yourself here. This is a course, or this is a profession for people strictly who did welding. It's one of the things I like about it. Most people who are doing this welding, they don't pay tax. They are given job, they do it to give him 80,000, and all that money is his. He pockets all that money. So this is one career where tax in most cases is not applicable unless you have your own workshop, which is done professionally. You have your own M-Pesa, pay bill and whatever. But if you are someone who does from home, who does the work from home, you don't pay tax. So the money you earn, everything is yours 100%. Another thing is that it's no single day you'll say that houses are not built. Houses are built every day. So that gives you advantage, because you can just move from here to there where you see people are building houses. You ask for work, and the competition in this industry is not very high. Once people know that you are good in what you do, then you get the job. And in that area, if you are known that you are the best, then nobody will take your job. Anybody who's building, they'll give you the work. Welding and fabrication is also good because you can start your own business of selling those building materials or zile chuma za welding. As you do fabrication, you can also have your own hardware. So it's something that once you own the skills, you know what is needed in the industry. So welding is a good course to do, and it pays decently because once you are given work, you negotiate. So if uh, you can, in a, for example, 4-bedroom house, they need, let's say, 10 windows and 12 doors. All that work, you may be given more than 150,000, and you do the work less than 1 month and you finish. So it pays very well. And the good thing again, nobody asks you about your certificate. They just look at the work you do. So welding and fabrication, it is a marketable course. It's a course that you should do, and it is not costly. For a diploma, if you have around 150,000, even below, you'll complete the course. And for certificate, 50,000 and below, you finish the course. And once you finish, you'll hustle a bit and you'll start getting jobs. And once you establish yourself as the best in your area, then you'll make a lot of money. So the course is very marketable.